Hi folks, welcome back to Math with Captain Rod. I'm making this video here to help provide an example of solving a quadratic equation by factoring. So we're going to take a look at this one right here, 6x squared plus x minus 2 equals 0. And again, what we're going to try to do is factor it. So because it's a trinomial, it should factor into a pair of little guys here, or binomials. And the idea behind factoring, at least the idea I use, is you're trying to undo the FOIL process. So I wrote this over to the left here. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, last. And what that means is that whatever these products are, they have to give this, the 6x squared. So one possibility here is maybe 6x and x. Another possibility, I'll write it over here, is 3x and 2x. Now, if you don't know which one, there's several ways that people do these. I usually just give it a try and see if it works. And if it works, fine, you move on. If it doesn't, then you try something else. So I'm going to try the 6x and the x. Now, now you look at this, the last. Whatever these are, they have to give you -2. So possibilities are maybe 2 and 1. Now, one of them has to be negative, so I'm just going to take a guess and go like this. Now, by design, the first and last terms already work. All we got to check are the middle terms, right? The outer and inner are what's going to give us the middle terms. So this is 6x minus 2x, that's 4x. That does not work. That's not equal to x. So we might do something like this. We might change it like so and try it. This is now 2x minus 6x. Still doesn't give us this. We may then, go back here and change these and reverse the order to 1 and 2. And again, this -12x, that's nowhere, there's no way that's going to work. So we might try plus and minus. And again, here's a 12x minus x. That's not going to work. Now you might say that's a lot of messing around. Well, it can be, and when you get more experience, when you look at problems like this, you'll realize that the 6x and the x probably was not a good place to start anyway. So let's move on and try this. Now, the first products give us our 6x squared. That's good. Now, we need our last products to give us the -2, so we might try something like 2 and 1. We might try minus and plus. And again, I'm just taking stabs at it. So this is 3x minus 4x. That does, that's close. That almost gives us this. 3x minus 4x gives us minus x. So we may try this. Now we have 4x minus 3x. There is our plus x. So now we're happy that we've got this thing factored right. And again, I know that was a little bit of messing around. The more you do of these, the better you get. Typically, you can skip lots of these first types of possibilities and get right to it. All right, now that we have it factored, we can use this theorem of algebra. We have the product of two things, this red thing and this green thing equals 0. And I'll just go ahead and use the colors here. So one possibility is the thing underlined in red is equal to 0. I'll go ahead and just leave that red. In which case 3x is equal to -2 and x would equal -2/3. Other possibility is that the thing underlined in green is equal to 0. In which case 2x would equal 1, adding 1 to both sides, and x would equal 1/2. So these are our solutions. We have two different solutions to this -2/3 and x equals 1/2. I'll leave it as an exercise to the reader, or watcher, I guess, to sub those values here and here and be sure you get zeros out of it. But anyway, factoring can be a little bit of a pain, no doubt, particularly when this number up front gets kind of large. This is the method I tend to choose. This just kind of look at the possible factors, in this case 6x, 1x, or 3x, 2x, and start giving it a try. I hope that this helps. Have a great day.